22 Pro debut coming at you, Jeff Olivas. You're going to get 4 autos out of this bad boy. Good luck to you, Polanco. Carroll. Pie. Riley Green. Nice. Well, Justin Morneau. I love these inserts. Brett Beatty. Boom. Zavala. And Indy Rodriguez. That's a great prospect pack right there. Right out the gate. Give myself a little more room. What's up, Yolanda? Boom! There's Lou. Valera. Eddie Leonard. Marco Luciano. Jake Fox. Canario. Grayson Rodriguez and Ellie De La Cruz. Pro debut. I like it. All right. We got Eric Pena, Gabriel Arias, Xavier Edwards, and Trey Sweeney. Draftee debut. Nolan Jones. Luis Rodriguez. Love it. Rosario and Ryan Bliss. Boom. Jeff Olivas with the insane mail day coming this week. This feels like a hit pack. Is this going to be our first auto? Let's see. Gabriel Rodriguez. Ruben Ibarra. Kobe Mayo. Cooper Bowman. Lonnie White. Colton Cowser. Cuero. And J.J. Bleday. Boom. Box was wrong. Yes, Fernando, I will. Jordan Walker. Jose Rodriguez. Martinez. Michael Triana. Brick by Brick, Luis Matos. Perez, Pacheco, and Hernandez. Still looking for that first hit. Come on. That one pack just felt hefty. You know, I thought, oh, it's got to be in there, but shows what I know. Angel Martinez, Colin Burns, Bernabel, Foscu. Boom, TJ White. There it is. TJ White for the FCL Nationals. I noticed that there's a lot of Nationals autos in Pro Debut. They must have really got a hold of them during spring training or something. Boom. There's your first auto. Rest of the pack, we got Luis Gonzalez, Rodriguez, and Hernandez. Yeah, message me beforehand, brother. Colson Montgomery, Hunter Goodman. No wait, my son has football camp tomorrow. Yeah, I'll be home. Ken Griffey Jr., that is rad. I love that. That's going in the hit pile. Darren Baker, Jay Allen, Alan Serta, and J.C. Correa. I freaking love these cards. They've got a matte finish, but a gloss on the... See how the gloss is just on the player? They're very slick cards. Saberdadito Spirit, Ken Griffey Jr. Painter, Joshua Baez, Jordan Vyers, and boom, Cal Conley, Green Jackets, Augusta Green Jackets, Cal Conley. It's going to be to 199. 77 out of 199. There's your pink. Seems to be one per box, the way that I've been seeing it. Elia Tatis, James Wood, Hendry Mendez, and Carson Williams. Boom. Another good prospect pack. All right, we got Wes Kath, Ian Lewis, Garrett Mitchell, Lizardo, Brick by Brick, Sal Frelick, Reed Trimble, Joe Mack, and C.J. Rodriguez. All right, we got Jalen Palmer, Cal Conley, Penango, Robert Dominguez, and an orange auto warning Bernabel. Come on. Boom! For Fresno and the Grizzlies. And that is 17 out of 25. Boom! Nasty little hit right there. On an $8 win. Whew. Nice. Congratulations, Jeff. Oh, boom. That looks good in the orange kaboom over there, too. Give that a little twist so it's got the right light. Bam. Whew. That's a good one, dude. Sotillo, Nelson, and Lorenzo. Nice little boom for Jeff Olivas right there. Let's go. All right, Piguero, Zach Veen, Tyler Whitaker, and Ted Williams getting the nasty vets in this one. I love it. Boom. Lopez, Diego Cartaya, Velasquez, and Jose Sales. Boom. Sales, boom. Let's go. All right, we've got Kevin Maid, Matt McClain, Basabe, Adley Rushman, nice, Nick York, Nunez, Valdez, and Benny and the Jets Montgomery. 2 autos left in this box, guys, and we are at least halfway through. Velasquez, ooh, more color. Amador. Rhodes, come on, be autoed. Boom! Heriberto Hernandez for the Charleston River Dogs. Our second pink of the box to 199. Let's go. Loving this box. Lots of color. We got 1 pink in the whole last box. Then everything else was basically base except for that like insert auto of Marcelo Mayer that was sick. Vivas! Hey, Marcelo Mayer! Cameron Culley, what are the odds? I thought we had a pink auto right there. Let's go! All right, we got Bubba Chandler, Blaze Jordan, Alex Beneas, Rocchio, Jose Ramos of the Cucamonga Quakes, Miranda and Hogland. Boom. Thank you all so very much for tuning in. Really do appreciate it. Ladies and gentlemen, we've got Chase Petty, Ramirez, Alcantara, Brick by Brick, Leover Piguero. I like that one. Come on now, Kenny. Austin Wells, Gonzalez, and Jordan Wicks. Still waiting on Dos Mas Autos. Let's go. Let us do this. That Bernabel is sick. Clace. Mojica. McDonough. Boom. Christian Encarnacion Strand. Bam. Fort Myers Mighty Muscles. pro debut auto. Sorry if I wrecked his name. I think I nailed it. Boom! All right, we got Connor Norby, Ian Muller, Marte and Jensen. What's up, Showtime? Do a quick recap. We got one more auto here out of the box left. Quick recap at the end. Casas, Hassel, Garcia, Alec Thomas, Ferguson, Tyler Black, Volpe, come on now, and Curtis Mead. One auto left. Some good color out of this box. Loving it. Boom. Salometo Torres. Boissier. Look at, there's a green. Come on. Zach Veen. For the Fresno Grizzlies, Zach Veen green to 99. What a box of pro debut, guys. More color coming our way. Love it. Like I said, last night the box, we got a pink. We got two pinks, a green, and an orange auto out of this box. It's insane. JT Schwartz and Pomares. Boom. What's up, Jeff Olivas? Owner of the box, tuning in. I'm loving it. Dalen Lyle. Urbina. Ed Howard. Brick by Brick. Diego Cartea of the Cucamonga Quakes. Boom. Love it. Acuna. Morissette. Angeles. And Bednar. All right. We're down to our final, 5 packs or so? And we still have one auto to go. Pete Crow Armstrong. Mauricio. Khalil Watson. Boom! What's this? Milcar Perez of the Modesto Nuts with the black ink auto. What? Coming out of nowhere. Coming out of nowhere. With the black ink auto. They just slapped that bad boy right in the middle of the card, too. I love it. It almost looks like someone got it in person at the stadium, you know? And he just ran with that black pen. That's why I love Pro Debut, though, guys. Rodriguez, Del Castillo, this was a great box. Harry Ford, Ethan Wilson. 4 more packs, and I'll do a little hit recap. Maybe we got some more color or an extra hit in here somewhere. Good luck to you, Jeff Olivas. We got Robert Pawson, Leon Bonacci, Henry Davis, Bobby Abreu, Brady House, Samad Taylor, and Austin Martin. Another just incredible prospect pack. What's up, Billy B? Boom! Anybody going to be at the Dodger game Saturday night? I will be there. Knowles, Ortega, Ryan Spikes, Freelick, Nolan Gorman, and Jefferson Quiero. You guys, this was an amazing box. 2 packs left. I'll show you guys the hits right now. Langeliers, Perez, Rojas, Benny Montgomery, draftee debut, Jeter Downs, Noah Miller, Matos, Christian Franklin, and last pack, here we go. Last pack, here we go. Preciado, McGreevy, Josh Jung, Maddox Bruns, love it. I'm going to put that in the hit pile. TJ White, Christian Santana, Machado, and Cespedes. And that does it for your pro debut, Jeff Olivas. Some notable pro debuters on the Maddox Bruns. Benny Montgomery, drafty debut. Diego Cartea, brick by brick. Volpe, Aguero, brick by brick, Adley Rushman, nice Ted Williams, the King Griffey Jr., and Ellie De La Cruz pro debut. Then for our hits, we had the Milcar Perez black ink auto. We had the green Zach Veen to 99. The Christian Encarnacion Strand auto. The pink Hedberto Hernandez to 199. The Cal Conley to 199. The TJ White auto. And the orange warming Bernabel Fresno Grizzlies auto to 25. Boom! Nasty little box of pro debut right there. Congratulations to you, Jeff Oliva.